Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're taking a closer look at the new Renault Captur. This little French number has been turning heads in the small SUV market, and for good reason. Let's dive in and see what makes it stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk looks. The Captur is like that friend who always looks effortlessly stylish. Renault has given it a facelift that screams Parisian chic. The front end now sports these cool, arrow-shaped LED daytime running lights that give it a bit of attitude. And those new alloy wheel designs? Chef's kiss. They really complete the package. Now let's talk power. Renault has kept things simple with just two engine options. There's a 1-liter turbo that's, well, let's be honest, it's not going to set your heart racing. But the one you really want to know about is the E-Tech Hybrid. This clever little setup combines a 1.6-liter gas engine with an electric motor, giving you a total of 145 horsepower. It's no hot hatch, but it's got enough pep to make merging onto the highway a breeze. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's had a serious glow-up. Gone are the old rotary climate controls, replaced by a sleek row of toggle switches that wouldn't look out of place in a much pricier car. But the real star of the show is the new infotainment system. It's Google-based, super intuitive, and comes with a crisp 10.4-inch touchscreen. Trust me, your tech-savvy friends will be impressed. Let's talk practicality, because that's where the Captur really shines. The sliding rear seats are a game-changer. Need more legroom for your passengers? Slide them back. Got a big Costco haul? Slide them forward and you've got up to 616 liters of cargo space. That's huge for a car this size. The back seats are decent for adults, though basketball players might find the headroom a bit tight. And let's be real, that middle seat is best left for emergencies or people you don't like very much. But here's where it gets really interesting. In our week-long test, we averaged a jaw-dropping 59 miles per gallon. That's right, 59. Your wallet will thank you at the pump, and you can feel a little bit better about your carbon footprint too. When it comes to driving, the Captur is in its element in the city. It's as nimble as a cat, making tight turns and squeezing into parking spots a piece of cake. The hybrid system is super smooth, switching between electric and gas power without you even noticing. It's like magic, but with engines. Now, I've got to keep it real with you. The ride can be a bit firm, especially if you go for the top-spec model with those gorgeous but huge 19-inch wheels. It's not a deal-breaker, but if you live somewhere with roads that look like the surface of the moon, you might want to test drive it first. So, what's the verdict on the Renault Captur? It's stylish, it's practical, and with that hybrid powertrain, it's efficient too. Sure, it's not the most exciting drive in its class, but it nails the basics and then some. If you're in the market for a small SUV that turns heads and sips fuel like it's going out of style, the Captur deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's not perfect, that ride could be smoother, and the base engine is a bit underwhelming. But if you opt for the hybrid and can live with the occasional jiggle over bumps, you'll be getting a car that's as at home on a Parisian boulevard as it is in a suburban parking lot. So there you have it, folks, the 2025 Renault Captur. It's French, it's fancy, and it's frugal. What more could you want? As always, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you pick the Captur over its rivals? Until next time, keep it classy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.